Hi guys, Rajnish Kanal here. You are watching Gaming with Rajnish channel. I am bringing you this our country view. This video is very important. Please look first to last, okay? Don't miss any episode. I'm here to tell you that our Nepal is very beautiful place. It's located in second richest country in the world by water. There is 6,000 river in our world. It's very beautiful, and this is our country Nepal. Look, this is very beautiful. I love that place. It is my place named Sainamaina Municipality 1 Bankata. There is greenery in everywhere except gravel road and pitch road. It's all greenery. I will show you that mountain. Mountain is covered by snow. Look, very beautiful view. This is our country is Nepal. I will describe all things in our country. It's very beautiful. Look, this all